Hey everybody, welcome back to At Home Songwriting. As many of you know, I recently released my album Digital Masquerade online, and I ordered physical CDs and they have shown up, so I wanted to do a little bit of an unboxing for you. So we want to kind of have a first look at how the CDs turned out, and there's going to be a link in the description, so check this out. You can order the CDs and have them shipped to you, but my album's called Digital Masquerade, so we're gonna dive into the box here and see what we got. If I can get it open. Here it comes. So here is what it looks like in the box. Purdy. And this is what the CD looks like. So Digital Masquerade, that's the front. And then the back. And we have to take a look at this. They're so fresh. Pretty, it looks great. My first time seeing it like this. So this is what it looks like on the inside. There's my mugshot. And then under there. So 14 songs. Took a couple of years to work on this one. So check it out in the link or in the description, and would love to have you order Digital Masquerade. So we just saw my unboxing of my new album, Digital Masquerade. You can get it as a digital download. You can order the physical CD, and it'll be on streaming coming up later in 2026. So before I wrap up today, I wanted to tell you about live workshops that I'm going to be leading on a monthly basis with At Home Songwriting. So starting on November 15th, I am going to start doing monthly workshops where we get together on Zoom and I teach an hour-and-a-half class on various tools, techniques, and the craft of songwriting. So if you want to join these free online workshops, go to my website at athomesongwritingcourses.com, and you can sign up and join the free online community. And that's where I'll be posting the links and the events for the workshops. And then also you'll have a chance to post songs and get reviews from other songwriters and your peers online. So hopefully I'll see you November 15th. And also hopefully you'll check out my CD, check out my album, and I appreciate you being here. I'll see you in the next video.